Yes, hello traders. So this account which we are updating since 17 February. So we will again confirm the dates, and yes, we will see all the history till the today's date. And yes, these are there is no more data here. So we will check all the details, all the history, and yes, we have transferred all the data in Excel sheet in a screenshot. Yes, for the study purpose you can take, I will divert you towards the folder where you can find all the screenshot. You can even check all the trades, when we entered and when we booked the profit, when we booked the loss, and you can download that Excel sheet, and you can filter the data that how much profit we have booked in individual pairs like BTC, how much profit we book, EOS, ETH. Each data are available. So these are the just confirmation, and yes, you will see all the trade histories. I'm taking it slowly so you can even stop it and you can check it. Plus there are no currently open orders and no limit orders, and these are the today's trade which we have booked some minor losses in XRP. So yes, and this is the market current. So now I will divert you to the its complete the statement in Excel sheet and folders. Yes, so this is the Excel sheet which we have maintained by all the trades. So if you click on here, and the link is available to open this Excel sheet, and that can be accessible in below the videos file. So just have a look at how many trade has been placed. Yes, in April month we have traded few trades as it is only 4 days, and current profit of the 2 BTC. And when we sell and what we booked, there are no losses. Even in Ether we have booked a very big loss, but it is covered with other profit. And March month, yes, total 10 BTC profit, and the total trades 145. Each details can be verified from the previous video which we have seen, and from that you can take the data and all the date and entries which you have taken from precisely from those account exchange B1. So in a February month we will see the total number of trades, and yes, 98 trades and total profit 16 BTC. And we see the all the trades, how many trades. Yes, total 246 trades and total profit 28.9 BTC, so almost to 90% ROI. So this account is the proof that we are trading very precisely. We knows when to book the profit and when to book the loss, and when market is oversold, when market is overbought. That's all. If you know that parameters, your accuracy reach to the 97% and above, and that's we are proving it by posting more than 117 videos which we have posted for this account. And these are this link we will provide where you can get all the screenshot for all the trades. Since total number of screenshot has been posted, 32 numbers of the screenshot you can see and you can check. So these are the latest screenshot of the last, and it will be available for the education and trading purpose, and you can analyze the trades and market movements. You can compare at the time what was the BTC was trading. Plus in our channel we have updated the last video, we have updated that links will be there. So once we updated at the time, the total profit was 23. Currently it reached to the 29 BTC. So everything are transparent and live. You get this link, and in that link we have updated the files, and this is the YouTube playlist. So we'll see the playlist even. So yes, once we click on a YouTube playlist, it will go towards the YouTube video, and yes, and you get all the playlist. Yes, these are all the playlists available. So till now there are many videos updated for this exchange B1 since the beginning. So once the account has started with the small profit, how much capital was raised during the process, each and everything is been mentioned here. So total part 77 till now. And yes, profit also it is there that it is rise up to 38.4 BTC. This is the last part videos. Okay, so here it is very transparent with all the 77 videos can be monitored, can be exchanged, can be verified that how we traded, how we booked the profit, all the information. If you watch the videos, you can get it. So initially the first we updated on a 17th February. You get this one when it has started with the small profit 0.5 BTC, 10.35, 10.43. So it's very gradually, and it's very interesting to see that how the 10 BTC it goes to the 38 BTC profit within 2 months, less than 2 months you can say. And hopefully we will try to get 100 BTC if the client keep ready to not withdraw the profit, and it might go to 1000 BTC, God willing, in end of the year of the 2021 to the 2022. You can connect your account definitely, and you can get the same amount of profit, God willing. So wish you happy trading, and we will try our best to get the account into the highest profit as available. As in the market volatility, profit will rise. Once market is stable, we will trade a less quantity, number of trades less, and once it is the high volatile, we will take the more profitable trades.